This is a ChargePoint Gen 1 J1772 connector. I'm going to show how to replace this latch lever at the top. The Gen 1 is easily distinguished by the silver pin that's here, and there are also 3 drainage holes on the side. That's what makes it a Gen 1 or Type A. Need something to drive the pin out of the fixture, of the connector, and I'm using this. It's got a mark on it, 1 1/8 inches from the end, and I'm going to use it to pound this down until the pin is out. I've driven the tool into that hole to the right depth, and you can see the pins coming out the other side. So now I'm going to pull that pin out, and I can then pull the lever out as well. Along with the lever, there will be a spring that needs to go with it. Hopefully you have that spring. To replace the lever, we do sort of the reverse operation. And let me just sort of show the way this works. There's a switch here that the lever presses on that's critical to function, and there's a hole down in here to receive the spring. So that's down in that area. So we need to put the spring onto the lever. So that's on there. We need to put those both into the connector. And to help guide this process, we'll use that tool there to guide it in. And then we should be able to use the hammer to drive it back in. And with that pin back in flush, the system all is back together and works.